No! We don't split up.
Alright, alright.
Go to the island on at our right.
Alright, is that where you're building right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I was wondering who that was.
You left to the channel.
No.
Oh.
There's some other guy joined a long time ago.
Maybe.
Alright. How much?
11. Yes. Knockback 2.
Alright, did you bring the anvil? Cause I didn't. Oh, okay, yeah, you did. Alright, good.
Sharpness 1, being of arthropods, knockback 1, knockback 2. How much is it to put sharpness 1 on? 16? The
Not
fuck?
Not worth.
No. I guess I'll have to swap out between this knockback 2 and I'm going to make myself a special sharpness 3.
Alright, I have a sharp 3.
Yeah. I need a sharpness 1 sharpness 1 sword.
Alright, here, I'm going to the next island over.
Okay. Wait. I'm just getting XP as well.
Alright, yeah, I'm actually gonna bring these anvils.
Okay.
Oh, they're here.
Where? Come down.
I'm shooting arrows at them.
Oh, I thought they were here as in on the island.
You know, they're literally like shooting, or like oh, come on.
Are we safe for now?
Yeah, we're safe right now because they just boarded up because I was shooting arrows at them. So
Okay.
I got scared.
Are they on this island?
Nah, yeah, they're midway between half.
Oh, okay. They're on the bridge. Okay, just keep them busy then.
Alright.
I'm making.
They're coming.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Can you delay them as much as possible?
I'll just throw snowballs at them until they back off.
Actually, try to kill them while you're doing it.
I don't have enough arrows to actually do that, so I'm just gonna save my arrows for a rainy day. Alright, dude, you got time.
Okay.
I'm giving them chickens.
Okay. I just really need XP and I'm checking the chests now. Getting every little bit I can find. Oh, I see where they are. That's fine. Still need that XP. No, I guess that'll have to do.
Oh, he's here. Oh,
what?
yeah, he backed off. Okay.
Do you think they went in the trees?
No, dude, they're right. What are you talking about? They're literally shooting at
No, but I'm thinking about chests. That's the last 2 people. Oh, our teammate died.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, knockback. I'm gonna go with my knockback 2 then.
Alright.
Oh, I don't have a shield. Do you have a shield?
No, I don't have a shield.
Because
I have special arrows. That does anything.
no, shield would be great. What do we need for a shield? We need iron.
Do you have an extra bow so I can make?
Oh, cool. I got gold boots from. Oh, iron. I have iron. I can make myself a shield. How do you make a shield?
Wood and iron, I guess. That's what I would think.
Yeah, that's what I think too. Just be careful. So I think it's wood as a handle, and then no. How do you make a shield? Is it 1 wood, 1 iron at the bottom, and like?
Yo, I'm going balls deep. This is it. Alright, no, never mind. They looked around. No,
Okay, can you just you know, try and bow them? I'm gonna go on internet to try and find out how to shield.
Alright.
Shield recipe. Oh, I see. Okay, great. I'm making myself a shield. I can make you a shield.
Yeah, make me a shield. That would be overpowered. Oh shit, they're here. They're getting feisty.
Here, take this shield.
Oh, better put it on quick.
And I have my knockback 2 sword. Wait, don't go there, you'll get knocked off. Oh, yeah.
Alright, I got this guy.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that guy.
I've got my knockback 2 on.
Alright, this guy's dead. Alright, I got it.
Okay, this one's knocked
Oh,
off.
that guy's
Okay. That knockback 2 though.
dead.
Yeah. That knockback 2.
Dude, the sharp 3, no. That guy ran after the first 2.
Yeah. I'm definitely doing a knockback 2 next round. I mean, that was OP.
Alright,
Okay.
let's do this again. Shit, dude, I need to be focused on my fucking homework, and you're just sitting there making me play. Whatever, let's do it.